Bonjour et bienvenue in this GCSE French exam practice speaking video. We are going to cover a question covered in theme 1, topic 2, technology in everyday life. And today's question is, est-ce que tu voudrais un nouveau portable? Est-ce que tu voudrais un nouveau portable? Would you like a new mobile phone? So, let's have a look how we can do that to the highest standard possible. So, if you want the support guide for this lesson, it's absolutely possible. Just join down below the click button and follow the instructions. Also, check learnfrenchwithalexa.com, which is an awesome course designed by myself. Let's have a look at answering this question. Est-ce que tu voudrais un nouveau portable? So why do you think the examiner is going to ask you this question? Because of the tense it leads onto. So, voudrais is the conditional tense of vouloir. So, would you like a new mobile phone? You would need to answer equally in the conditional tense. So, let's have a look at what I suggest. Again, this is a suggestion answer. You do not have to use all of it, but take what you think will get you the highest point possible for your answer, but also what you can deliver. Okay, there is no need for you to learn by heart an answer if you do not understand or are able to put it together. Just try, make it simple. I mean, it's not about quantity as such, it's about quality, okay? So if you have 3 sentences that are really good, just stick with that. Don't add any more because there is more chance of making a mistake, okay? So here's my answer. Oui, je voudrais un nouveau portable, car le mien est tout abîmé et cassé. Il ne marche plus très bien. J'aimerais avoir le dernier iPhone, parce qu'il a beaucoup de fonctions que j'aime. Par contre, il est très cher, donc je vais économiser pour m'en acheter un. Si j'avais de l'argent, j'en achèterais un. Okay, so of course this answer is of the highest standard level possible, okay, to get a good mark in the speaking exam. But you don't have to use all of this because if you pick and choose, you can get a very high level mark, okay? So let's have a look at this. Oui, je voudrais un nouveau portable. So here we have written je voudrais because it's I would like. That's what we want you to do. We want you to say j'aimerais. We want you to say je voudrais. Okay? Je voudrais un nouveau portable. I would like a new mobile phone. Okay? There are words there are adjectives that are put in French before the noun, but usually they are after the noun. So please watch out for which adjective comes before the noun, which adjective comes after the noun. So, je voudrais un nouveau portable car and parce que is the same. Parce que le mien, mine, again, I mean, if you even know how to say mine, le mien, la mienne, les miens, les miennes, okay, then it's a bonus point for you. If you can't do that, if it's too much or too blurry, you don't know which one, then don't use them at all. Use something that you are confident with. Now, le mien, mine, est tout abîmé, is damaged, tout abîmé, all damage. Or you could say, est cassé, broken. So whatever is easier for you to say, cassé. Broken. Mon portable est cassé. My mobile is broken. Donc, therefore, je voudrais un nouveau portable. That could be an answer, okay? Il ne marche plus très bien. Now, il stands for the mobile phone. He. Okay, everything is a he or she in French, okay? And I like that. Ne marche plus. So try to learn this. Technically, marcher means to walk, but also it means to work. So if something does not work, ça ne marche pas. We use the same verb, okay? Ça ne marche pas. So, mon portable ne marche pas. My mobile phone does not work, okay? Il ne marche plus. Il refers to le portable. And plus means not anymore. So, il ne marche plus. Le portable ne marche plus. It's not the mobile does not walk anymore. It doesn't work anymore. Okay? So be aware of negations. Ne pas, ne plus, ne jamais. Okay, try to put a negation in your answer when possible, of course. So it doesn't work really well. Très bien. J'aimerais, so again, conditional, avoir. I would like to have. So try to use this combination conditional infinitive. J'aimerais manger une pizza. I'd like to eat a pizza. J'aimerais marcher dans la forêt. J'aimerais finir le film. I'd like to finish the film, for example. J'aimerais avoir le dernier iPhone. So again, adjectives, dernier here, nouveau, place before the noun. Parce que, I'm saying why I want this new iPhone, il a beaucoup de fonctions que j'aime. Il refers to the telephone because it's le mobile, okay, le portable, so it's a he. Il a a lot of. And by the way, we never ever said des. Beaucoup de. So beaucoup is already a plural. No need to add de after that. So beaucoup de fonctions que j'aime. It has a lot of new functions or functions that I like. So again, pronom relative here that I like. Okay. Now try to use relative pronouns when possible and show the examiner you know the difference between que and you know the difference between qui. It's okay if you don't. But I do have the que versus qui videos somewhere in my bank of videos, you know, amongst hundreds. Par contre, however, par contre, okay, il est très cher. It is. So again, il refers to the mobile, is very expensive. Très cher, okay. Very expensive. So cher is expensive. By the way, did you know we have no word for cheap? Like it is cheap. So how are we going to say that if we say it is cheap in French? Well, you would say it is not expensive. Okay, so ce n'est pas cher. Okay, that's something that you might consider learning. It is cheap, ce n'est pas cher. It is expensive, c'est cher. Donc, again, conjunction here, donc. So what am I going to do about that? Je vais économiser. So here, this answer becomes slightly higher mark. Why? Because you're using another tense and you're showing the examiner that not only can you use the conditional, you can use the futur proche. Je vais économiser. I am going to save money. Pour m'en acheter. In order to buy me one. Can you see that? That's tough. Okay. And if you can deliver this, then of course it's the highest standard mark possible. If you cannot, it's not a big deal. Don't do it, especially if you can't remember it, okay? Remember, it's all about quality, not quantity. If you can deliver it at the highest quality, but there's only 3 sentences, then do that, okay? So, pour m'en acheter un. Si j'avais de l'argent, and this is where it becomes really good, if I had money, so suddenly you're using an imperfect. Perfect. If I had some money, I would buy one of them. J'en achèterais un. Again, if you can't put the en and the un, and it's okay, just say, si j'avais de l'argent, j'achèterais un portable. Quite simply. Okay, so get rid of the difficulty of this pronoun en here and just add the noun that you want to refer to. Okay, so this is an answer, a typical answer to highest standard possible of GCSE French here. Again, pick and choose what you can deliver. Do not necessarily do that because you might not do it properly and then you panic and then, ooh, well, you can imagine what an exam is like. Okay, what if you don't want a new portable? Then you would say, non. Non, je ne voudrais pas de nouveau portable. That's a way of doing. Or, non, je suis content avec ce que j'ai, avec le mien. Mon portable marche très bien et je n'ai pas besoin de le changer. Ce serait du gaspillage. Et je préfère garder mon argent de poche pour m'acheter des vêtements. Okay. Just this answer is of higher standard level and it's smaller than the first one if you notice, but it has so many more difficulties, okay? Again, choose and pick, okay? You can use one answer one part of your answer from the first answer I gave you, and then add on to the second one. For example, I would like a new portable, okay, but I can see how I don't need one. Okay, so make the sentences work this way by having the opposite in the same answer. No, non, je suis contente avec ce que j'ai. So I'm happy with what I have. Okay, what I have. Or you could say je suis contente avec le mien. I'm happy with mine. Avec le mien. Okay, mon portable marche très bien. So here's the opposite of mon portable ne marche pas très bien, okay, ou ne marche plus très bien. Here we are saying, my mobile phone works very well. Not work, but works. Et je n'ai pas besoin de le changer. So this is a very complex sentence in that we are using not only a negation, we are using an idiom, avoir besoin de, and we are using a pronoun, le, okay? How can you make this better? You could say, or not better, but simpler. You could say, je n'ai pas besoin de changer de portable. Ou, je n'ai pas besoin de portable. Ou, je n'ai pas besoin de nouveau portable. Quite simply, okay? Using besoin, that means to need, okay? Avoir besoin, to need. J'ai besoin de. Tu as besoin de. Il a besoin de. In order to be able to do that, you must absolutely know how to conjugate the verb avoir in the present tense. So, je n'ai pas besoin de le changer, quite simply. And here is a mega star answer, or part of your answer, ce serait du gaspillage. And here you're using the conditional of être, serait, okay? That would be a waste, okay? This is really good to learn because you can use it as well for the other topic on environment, okay? By the way, a lot of these sentences are interchangeable between themes and topics. So once you learn a few sentences like very strong and of high level, you could potentially use some of it in other questions for the exams, okay? Learn the word gaspillage. Gaspillage, which means waste, okay? Because that will come up for sure in the exam. Gaspillage means a waste, okay? So if it doesn't come up during the speaking, it may come up during the reading or the listening or the writing, okay? Et je préfère garder mon argent. So I prefer to keep my money. So it's good that you're using je préfère and then add the infinitive. Je préfère manger au restaurant. Je préfère garder mon argent. Je préfère regarder la télévision. Je préfère jouer au basket, etc., etc. So, I prefer to keep my money. Pocket money, by the way. Argent de poche, like money of pocket. Pour, and in order to do what? M'acheter, to buy myself. M'acheter, so myself comes before. Des vêtements, clothes. So I would rather buy myself clothes than the new telephone, which I really don't need. Okay, so we've had a look at two potential answers for this question. Est-ce que tu voudrais un nouveau portable? Pick and choose what you want out of this and make it your own, but make it at the highest standard possible because that will help you for the writing as well, okay? Have a look at the playlist on GCSEs as well. Subscribe and tell your GCSE friends as well. And follow me on Insta. Bye-bye. Au revoir. À bientôt. Bisous, bisous.